Remember that old laptop gathering dust in your drawer? The one that chugged along, struggling to keep up with modern software? Chrome OS might be the perfect solution to give it a new lease on life. This lightweight operating system is designed to be fast, secure, and incredibly user-friendly, especially on less powerful hardware. Chrome OS is all about simplicity. Instead of installing traditional software, everything runs through the Chrome browser. This means no more waiting for updates or dealing with complicated installations. Just log in with your Google account and you're ready to go. This cloud-based approach has several advantages. First, it reduces the load on your laptop's hardware, resulting in a snappier performance. Second, your files and settings are always backed up to the cloud, so you can access them from anywhere. And because Chrome OS is constantly updated in the background, you always have the latest features and security patches. One of the most impressive things about Chrome OS is how well it runs on older hardware. Laptops that struggled with Windows or macOS suddenly feel fast and responsive. Boot times are dramatically reduced, and applications launch quickly. This performance boost is largely due to Chrome OS's lightweight design. It doesn't require the same level of processing power or RAM as other operating systems, making it ideal for laptops with limited resources. Even tasks like web browsing and video streaming, which could bring an old laptop to its knees, run smoothly on Chrome OS. But it's not just about speed. Chrome OS also extends the battery life of older laptops. Because it consumes less power, you can squeeze more hours of use out of a single charge. This is a significant advantage for anyone who uses their laptop on the go. Chrome OS is all about simplicity and ease of use. If you're familiar with the Chrome browser, you'll feel right at home. The interface is clean and intuitive, with a familiar taskbar, app launcher, and system tray. Even if you're new to Chrome OS, you'll find it easy to navigate. One of the key features that makes Chrome OS so user-friendly is its integration with Google services. Your Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google apps are all seamlessly integrated, making it easy to stay organized and productive. And because Chrome OS is built on the Chrome browser, you have access to millions of web apps and extensions. Another advantage of Chrome OS is its security. Because it's a cloud-based operating system, your files are always backed up and protected from local threats. Chrome OS also features automatic updates and sandboxing technology, which isolates apps and prevents malware from infecting your system. While Chrome OS shares some similarities with other operating systems like Windows and macOS, it takes a fundamentally different approach. Instead of relying on traditional software installations, everything runs through the Chrome browser. This cloud-based approach offers several advantages, including improved performance, enhanced security, and seamless integration with Google services. However, it's important to note that Chrome OS may not be suitable for everyone. If you rely on specific software that's not available as a web app or Android app, you might find Chrome OS limiting. Additionally, while Chrome OS can handle offline tasks to some extent, it's primarily designed for online use. Overall, Chrome OS is an excellent choice for users who value simplicity, speed, and security. It's particularly well suited for older laptops, breathing new life into hardware that might otherwise be considered obsolete. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use operating system that can rejuvenate your old laptop, Chrome OS is definitely worth considering.